Jumpa nam ta cover Laitkam Hikai dengan puli ketkum kerja advertisement notice on behalf of the government of Meghalaya and in public interest application invited for the post of assistant teachers in government LP school falling under Jowai subdivision of West JAINTIA district of Meghalaya as per the terms and condition mentioned below. Taking number of posts baru gidan. Taking the name of the post kade assistant teacher LP school total vacancy can done South Popra UR New Khasi Jantian Guru Life Kandai and other STSC Kandai are post the Barok Gilong South Popra post Wahapopok ha Jowai subdivision pay scale Kadavage 5 level 5 qualification along by essential qualification for LP teachers class 12 pass with 50% for general candidate and 45% for STSC candidate with DLED or graduate with BN as per NCTE notification. MTED pass compulsory, DLED pass certificate compulsory. Language proficiency will be required as per the medium of the instruction of the school. 6. Basic computer literacy will be an added preferences. Take to go apply kini post belajar po Jowai subdivision pila ban submit hapo ke office jong SDSEO Jowai te ya kan last date claim yo hang ni kadon ko page te kamdon te ban tip khamne pia ban lej me hapo ke office SDSEO Jowai subdivision namta ban apply kini post kan mau baka debe offline kamdon offline man submit kini ta kini jemput fresh one.